Hey, cannabis retailers, looks like you are deemed essential during COVID-19. All right, so with that being said, with you cannabis providers being deemed essential during COVID-19, one, it's amazing that you're able to help people with your products. CBD is amazing. When I got out of the military, I used Jaden's Juice CBD for a while. I was a medical marijuana card holder for a bit. Now it is recreationally legal in the state of California. There's a lot of benefits to the services that you offer in your recreational cannabis as well as medical cannabis business. Many of you offer delivery services, and many of you do not have your Yelp profile structured correctly. And with that being said, Amazon, Alexa, Apple, Siri, and Microsoft Cortana, all of those voice-activated systems get their local data from Yelp, okay? So if you have somebody sitting at home and they're like, hey, Alexa, find me a local cannabis retailer that's open, right? That's open. And so from that point, that program, that voice-generated, that voice-activated information is going to pull all of the data from Yelp. And if your Yelp page is not rock solid, and if it does not have key factors initiated, well, you're going to get left behind and your revenue flow is going to start slipping. And more so for those of you who don't have a proper area covered to where your business delivers, well, you're going to be missing out on deliveries, and your delivery drivers are going to be missing out on tips, and you're going to be missing out on being able to move product at a high rate of speed. So, my name is Ralph Carrasco. I'm the founder of Carrasco Consulting. I became a Yelp certified agency advertising partner in 2017 through a invitation-only certification program, all right? And what that means is that I have all of the same tools and access that Yelp local sales has, but better. And I say better because Yelp local sales cannot deliver the type of insights that we can deliver from our advertising through CPC or cost per click. And where cannabis industry retailers are not allowed to use Yelp ads due to the fact that it's not federally legal yet, well, there's a lot of other enhancements that you guys are using that a lot of you aren't using as effective as you can. Also, in a program that I've created, I have 7 different areas within the program. It's a total of 10, but there's 7 different areas in the program that are free services that you can use on the Yelp platform today. And like I said, there's numerous amounts of you guys out there that are using the paid features and the paid enhancements. This 2019 COVID action plan that I have created, I want to help as many business owners as possible be as successful as possible. Look at the link below. Any questions about this, please let me know. The information in this, you can start taking action now and today. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to actually look over my shoulder, okay? It's a 10-part series. The longest section is about 20 minutes. And from that point, you go step by step by step. And I don't just give you 2 hours and 20 minutes of me talking like this. There's actually no more of me. And what it is that you're going to be sitting behind me, right? And looking directly at my screen as I set this up. And this is what I do when we set up our high-end clients who are spending tens of thousands of dollars with us in Yelp ads, all right? So again, the number one goal is to help you be successful. The number one goal is to help you grow and thrive. As an individual who had 6 different case studies written about him from Yelp in 2018, and then in 2019, we just continued to prove our theories, well, I'm here to give you the best insights possible that I have. I'm here to help you and your cannabis business really grow and thrive. So, there's a lot that's going on. If you're hurting for sales and you want to make this really happen for your cannabis business, for your delivery business, for your pickup business, for your medical marijuana business, you know, everything across the board. Well, just give me a couple minutes more of my time. It's, you know, like I said, click the link below. It's within the description, and you'll be able to keep it moving. So again, this is Ralph Carrasco, Yelp certified advertising partner, expert on Yelp. I've been studying this bad boy for the last nearly 10 years. And again, my #1 goal is to help as many people have the best time possible as we all hang out on Starship Earth around the sun. And with this being such an unprecedented time, and as a veteran, I really know what your industry does to help so many people. So that's why I want to help and give back. And that's why I am offering this quick 10-section course and this quick action plan. Hop on in. Let's have a conversation. If you would like to ultimately take your business to the next level, please feel free to set up a Calendly call for me. I may or may not be able to assist you. We have a lot of calls coming in. A lot of people have questions, and that's why I needed to get this course out, so then that way you can do some self-serve stuff. This self-serve program is going to allow you to have the information forever and then know how to make this work, especially when 90% of the cell phones come with Yelp preloaded. When all of, and most of, not all, but most of the vehicle infotainment systems have Yelp. When you type in a business, right? That's all Yelp data. When, again, like I said, when you go to MapQuest, Bing, Amazon Alexa, Apple Maps, right? Like, pull out your Apple phone and test it, right? Siri, find me a chiropractor in my area, and you will notice that there's going to be on Yelp down in the bottom right-hand corner of all of the listing, all right? So, not to mention Yahoo, like everybody uses Yelp. All right, so click the link below. It's about another 20-minute video to see if you want to jump in. Otherwise, just jump right in. Let's make this happen. Let's get you guys dialed in. And I appreciate what you do for the veteran community. I appreciate what you do for the community that's addicted to opiates, how you're able to help them get off. I appreciate what you do for the community-wide to really assist in everyone's mental health, well-being, and wellness. And I hope that you are successful in your ventures. So again, there are millions and millions of businesses out there. I can't help everyone one-on-one, but I know that this is a powerful way for me to help and assist. So keep it funky. Love you, Earthlings. Bye now.